Hello students, welcome to Solve classes. Today we will be solving the NBHM PhD scholarship exam from the January 2018 paper. We will be solving the question which came in the section 1 algebra portion. We have previously solved question number 1 from this section. We will be solving question number 2 from this section today. The question that we will be solving today is that what is the order of a 2-silo subgroup in GL3F5? We need to find out the order of a 2-silo subgroup in this very group. So now let us find out the order of GL3F5. So the order of this is equal to f cube minus 1 into f cube minus 5 into f cube minus 5 square. So this will be equal to 25 minus 1, 125 minus 1, this will be 124, 125 minus 5, this will be equal to 120, and this will be equal to 125 minus 25, so this will be equal to 100. So this will come down to, if we break it down into factors, so 124 will be equal to 62, again we'll break down, this is 31, so basically this is 2 square into 31. And 120 is basically equal to 60 into 2, 2 into 2 into 30, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So this is 2 cube into 3 into 5. So 120 is 2 cube into 3 into 5. And 100 is basically 10 square. 10 square is 2 square into 5 square. So this will come down as 2 to the power 7 into 3 into 5 cube into 31. Okay, so therefore the order of a 2-silo subgroup in this very group will be equal to the maximum power of 7, which is 2 to the power 7. Maximum power of 2, which is 2 to the power 7. So the order of a 2-silo subgroup in GL3F5 is basically equal to 2 to the power 7. So today we have solved a question which came in the algebra portion of NBHM PhD scholarship exam January 2018. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Solve classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.